As we're getting set for the weekend, we need to find out where all the great music is going to be. So what do? Well, we turn to Band Bombshell. We find out from them the authorities on local music as to what is going on. Madison Ray joining us. He is in for Chad, who is down under.
Yeah.
Now, and
I didn't realize we're the experts. I'm feeling the pressure right now.
Oh, no. So don't mess this up. So you make it look good, if nothing else, okay?
Of course.
You remember, if you can't dazzle them with your brilliance, you baffle them with your, well, information, basically. So.
Yes.
All right, so what do we have going on musically?
So, Halloween is coming up, so it's always a great weekend for different kinds of shows. One that we have coming up is the Misfits karaoke show over at the Vaudeville Muse on the 30th.
No way.
Yeah. It's just $5 to get in. You can get a chance to come in, dress up, sing along, do that whole
like
thing.
Evil Elvis.
Exactly, exactly. And do a karaoke show, live band karaoke thing, which is really fun. Like, there's another group party that does stuff like that, and it adds a different dynamic when you get to go up and be, get that feeling of being like a rock star,
with the band.
with a live band.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's really cool. And that's the 30th.
Okay.
So
tomorrow night. So
yeah. So put that on your calendar. Only $5. So I mean, it's definitely worth checking that out.
It'd be cool just to check it out to watch, if nothing else. Yeah.
Exactly. And then the night after, the Des Moines Social Club is putting on a hip hop rap battle called Bloodbath. Which,
That's you, Jackie.
Yeah, that's me all over it.
Yo.
So yeah, it's a great show. It's part of the Freshen Up series, hosted by a good friend of mine named Marquez. It's another $5 show if you come in a costume. So dress to your best and show us your best costumes. It's $8 if you decide not to dress up. So I mean,
be worth it to dress up.
It would be, So definitely check those two shows out. Those are the big ones that are coming up this weekend. We have a couple other big show announcements in the long term. Naughty by Nature
Really?
is coming through town.
Wow.
They're in their 25th anniversary tour.
Really?
And they're coming through Des Moines at Woolies on the 16th. So that's definitely going to be a great show. OPP is one of my favorite songs when I was growing up.
That's during the week, Jason. You better work on getting them in here.
I'm gonna get a pair of those goggles.
So that's in February. So we have a little bit of ways.
Yeah, but tickets are on sale now. So
Yeah.
you want to get those and check that show out for sure. That's gonna be a really great one. The other big announcement is Hinterland has officially announced their dates. I believe it's going to be August 5th and 6th this year, and they're going to be at the St. Charles Amphitheater once again.
And that worked out well.
It did. For people who don't know, they were originally booked at Waterworks Park,
right.
And it flooded, as it does every year. Last minute, like a bunch of professionals, of course, they're able to rebook it at the amphitheater out in St. Charles, and it was a wonderful success. So I think they found a new home for themselves.
And it's
really
right by the interstate.
Yeah,
right? I mean,
exactly.
It's right there. So
easily
it's no big
accessible. Last year they offered shuttle services. I don't know if they're going to be doing that again this year, but it's definitely a great show to be a part of.
It's not like they've organized the camping situation a little bit, or now they did not. They have more than a couple days to work on it, so they got that taken care of, and the parking taken care of. So it's just going to be even better than it was last year.
I hope so.
Yeah, that'll be cool.
Yeah, the great part about this Hinterland concept is that it's like this camping festival. So the idea of staying overnight and getting a great couple of days of music is a really wonderful experience.
It'll be fun.
Absolutely.
That is cool.
Right. Yeah.
And don't forget our friends Standing Hampton are going to be playing over at Prairie Meadows on Halloween as well.
Yeah, lots of opportunities.
15th anniversary of Standing Hampton this year, which is very impressive. Fantastic. They've been around for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, wonderful.
I hope to be around for 15 years.
All right. Now, for more information on what's going on musically, you guys have a pretty decent website.
Yes. www.bandbombshell.com.
All right.
There you go.
Perfect. All right. Great job, Madison. Thank you so much. We'll see you next week.